This is going to be our first customer Rocketeer conversion. So what they're doing currently is building the engines over in the UK, and they're putting the entire kits together, and that is all going to get freight shipped to me. And that's how we're going to do these. So I'm really excited to kind of get some videos going and show you guys how this progresses. You will see it, of course, in the shop tours as this gets done, but we're actually going to do a whole series of the Rocketeer conversion into a Miata. So look out for that. Hi guys, welcome back to the JPM Performance channel and to the official first installment to our Rocketeer Mazda Miata engine swap build series of videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to detail every little pinpoint detail of what I'm doing to the car. There's going to be a little bit more than just the Rocketeer conversion kit. There's also going to be some of the upgrades that we're going to be doing that we're going to be talking about as well. Step one, I thought that we would start with a basic weighing of a bone stock 1996 Miata. What does one of these cars weigh from the factory? So what we have here is our absolute 100% bone stock 1996 Miata with 32,000 miles, all original, never touched. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the car, and then we'll talk about, I'll show you the weights, and we'll kind of go through the whole thing so you can see that I am 100% on the up and up when it comes to this. Check this out. So you can see that the car is sitting on the ground right now, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my quick jacks. You can see I've got the quick jacks set up under the car. You can see that I have the scale pads laid out dead center on all four corners. And the other thing I wanted to show you guys was the car itself. So you can see that it has everything from the stock intake set up, all the wiring, the charcoal canister. There's even washer fluid in the reservoir. And inside of the car is bone stock seats, although I removed the seat covers, and boy, look at these original seats. It doesn't get much better than that. All original seats. It does have a double hard dog hoop, which probably adds, I've installed these before. They're not super heavy, but they do have a little weight to them. Let's say about 30 pounds extra for the hard dog double hoops. You can see that the car has the original spare tire, and it has the tonneau cover for when the top is down. You can cover the tonneau all the way down to the wrench for undoing the lug nuts. And the battery sits back here. So we'll close this down. We've got our scales ready over here. No modifications inside whatsoever. Stock steering wheel, stock everything. So step one, let's raise up our car. Just high enough to where we can get the scale pads underneath. Looking good. Okay, let's go over to our scales and let's turn this on. This will bring up our four corners. We will zero them. So we can see we have 0 on all four corners. And so when these quick jacks go up, it kind of moves the car forward. You can see that the scale pad is now not centered directly under the tire. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide it straight forward and just a little bit there. It's going to come back a little ways. Not all the way back because we're elevating it slightly. Get these under here. Out like that. Let's double check to make sure that we are still at 0. Oh, we went up 1 pound on our right rear. Let's 0 that again. Now, if you're doing this on just pads, make sure that your emergency brake is on and that your transmission is in gear. I already did those things. So now we will roll the quick jacks down. Well, that's centered up quite nicely, actually. Down, down, down she goes. I'm going to bring the quick jacks down to make sure they're not touching the scale. And they are not, as you can see. Our tires are lined up beautifully. I can't say as I've ever weighed a bone stock Miata like this before, so we're all learning here. Okay, so corner weights, obviously no driver. So this is the thing about a Miata. All corners, except for this right front, is a tiny bit high. Of course, we didn't push on it and shake it or anything. But the corners are all basically in the mid to upper 5s, low 600, with a total of 2298. If we pull off, there you go, 2299. Call it 2,300 pounds. If we pull off our hard dog roll hoop, like I say, about 30 pounds less than that. But for this comparison, this car is going to have the roll hoop in it. So this is step 1. I think this is going to be really interesting because a lot of the questions that I'm already receiving is, what does the Rocketeer kit add in weight to my Miata? Well, Rocketeer claims that it doesn't add any weight. But for our own usefulness, I think that I'm going to go ahead and do this myself, and we shall see. So that is our first installment for the Rocketeer Miata, and next up we will be working on a steering wheel upgrade for this car. So we'll have that down, we'll get that done here just in the next couple days. So appreciate you guys watching. Have a great rest of your week. This is going to be a fun build to watch. Take care. Keep at it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.